Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel NH Programming. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we bring another video of one of our another projects to develop a web browser.
Here is our program to make a very own web browser. Let's run it and see the results. After running the program, our browser window will appear. And in the search bar, for example, I'll type the word program and just click on search button. Now it will search word program on the Google. This program can not only search the things on Google, but it can open many apps like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, etc. If you guys already have a Twitter or Instagram account, this browser would directly log into your account page. So this is how you can develop a very own web browser.
That is all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel NH Programming. Thanks for watching. See you later.